Hello friends, welcome to QiYoga with LuChin. This is a quick Qigong exercise to relieve stiffness through the neck and shoulders. Now let's get started. Let's take a seat. It would be nice your chair is not super soft like a sofa. So a chair with a cushion will be great. Lengthen through your spine. Relax the shoulders. Inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, hands to heart center. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, release down. 3 more. This time, reach the arms up and then lower down. Turn the torso 45 degrees to the left and draw back, hands to center, then turn to the right 45 degrees. Notice the gentle twist through the spine. Mobilize the shoulder joints. One more. Slowly release the hands down to your sides. You might close your eyes, lengthen through the back of the neck, and then draw the chin to your chest. Gently stretch through the back of the neck. Slowly bring the chin back, and then lift the chin up. One more round. Stretch a little deeper this time. Chin back to neutral. Rotate your neck to the left. Engage your eyes. Open eyes big at the end of the exhale. And slowly rotate to the right. Eyes are big. Feel the energy rise through your eyes. One more time on each side. Come back to neutral. Bring your hands to the left side of the waist. Interlace the fingers, hug the left elbow in, sitting tall. Now draw the left ear to left shoulder. Hold for one more breath. And then move the hands to the right side. Hug the right elbow in. Draw the ear towards the right shoulder. One more on each side. Come back to neutral. Hands on your thigh. Round into the spine. And then forward. Back and forth. When you round this time, draw the chin side to side. And forward, project the chest. One more time. Come to neutral. Place your left arm on top of the backrest. Use the right hand to grab onto the side of the backrest. Gently rotate through the spine. Look towards the left shoulder. Finding this gentle twist. You can decide how much to twist into it. Second side. One more on each side. The second round, maybe both hands are holding onto the edge of the backrest. Second side. Come back to neutral. Shrug the shoulders up and back. Interlace the fingers and flip the palms. Reach up, press the hands up. Gently rotate your neck. Bring the arms closer to your ears. And then bring the hands to the base of your head, where the head and the neck meet. The pinkies are pressed into the 风池 point, the wind pull point. That's on the lateral side of the tendon. Feeling your hands are hugging the neck and give the head an upward lift. Breathe out through the mouth. One more. The chin's tucked slightly. Release the arms down. Shake your hand and your wrists. We will end with a shoulder joint mobilization. Fingers on your shoulders. Roll your elbows forward, back, and up. Keep the spine nice and tall. Chin is tucked a little. The neck is nice and strong in its beautiful neutral position. Now elbows to touch in front of the chest. Roll towards the back. Send the elbows as far back as you can. Keep the spine strong as you draw the elbows down. Feel the obliques lifting up as you circle the elbows forward. Let's do two more. This reversed rolling of the elbow is more strenuous. Last one. You're doing good. Arms rise, side to side. And come back to neutral, release the arms down. Friends, I hope you enjoyed our neck and shoulder relief. Let me know how it went for you. You can do this any time of the day. If you happen to be sitting for a long period of time, maybe in front of your computer, it's always good to add a few of these wonderful movements into your routine. Thank you. Thank you for practicing with me. Until next time, take good care of yourself.